Okay, so we're at PPMA 2018, we're on the 6th stand, and we're showcasing a lot of our new equipment, but in particular I'd like to show you our new KTS equipment, which is very much IO-Link enabled, all ready to rock with Industry 4, okay? So this device here is our KTS, and the KTS enables industries to adapt to the modern world by being able to do batch size of one, by being able to change recipes on the fly, by being able to adapt to the needs of their customers on the fly effectively. Okay, so this device here, we can see we're looking at a particular colour, red in this case, and at the touch of a button we can all of a sudden decide to look for the green. Okay, we can also work on standard print marks, and we can change all of that over IO-Link at the click of a finger. And I think we're still at a tipping point. People are getting on board, they're keen to get involved, but ultimately it's important for us as manufacturers to give them really easy, simple to use ways of bringing that to reality and being able to have a very much automated factory moving forward to the future.